Now it's time to draw Pete the cat. So I'm going to start out. I want you to use a pencil, but I'm going to use a black marker so that you can see what I am drawing. I'm going to start out in the middle of my paper by drawing a curved line. It kind of looks like a rainbow line. This is the top of Pete's head. Next, I'm going to make two straight lines off of each side that kind of curve up. These are Pete's ears, his big cat ears. And then they're going to come back down to almost make a triangle. They look like upside down V's. Now I'm going to connect those with a big smiley curved line from one side to the other. Now I'm going to do two curved, kind of frowny face lines. These are for Pete's eyes. And then underneath it, two smiley curved lines to make Pete's eyes. They are really big cat eyes. Inside, I'm going to do a half circle on each one, and then another half circle inside of that for Pete's eyes. Pete has a little triangle kitty cat nose. Go ahead and add that underneath his eyes. On both of his cheeks, draw a few straight lines out for his whiskers, and then two little curved lines for his neck. I'm going to draw a straight line, and sometimes you can use a ruler to help you draw a straight line. This is for the big piece of paper, the drawing that Pete is holding. So I'm going to put down my ruler, and I'm going to draw from one side to the other. I'm leaning my marker on that ruler to help me draw a straight line. You can also just draw the straight line without a ruler. I'm going to add Pete's paws. They're curved lines on each side of that straight line. He's holding a big drawing that he's showing off. And after I draw Pete's paws, I am going to finish drawing the straight lines on each side. One line straight down, two lines straight down. I'm not going on top of Pete's paws. I'm skipping over them, and then I'm drawing the straight line the rest of the way down to the bottom of my paper. Now, on the picture that Pete drew, I am going to draw 6 crayons. Remember, his crayons rock. And so I am going to draw those crayons on the piece of paper that Pete the cat is holding. I'm going to start out by doing a straight line, a curved top, and a straight line. This will help me make a crayon. The top of the crayon is almost a triangle, but it's just a line that goes up, over, and down. Now this crayon happens to be rockin' red, so you can decorate rocking red however you want. I'm just going to add 2 ovals for the eyes, a dot in each of the eyes for the pupil, and a smiley face. Now for the orange, you can follow those same steps. Straight line, curved line on top, and then almost a triangle for the tip of the crayon. This one is going to be orange, which is Orange Tabby in the book. I'm gonna add those 2 eyes and a smiley face again. Next, I'm going to add the mellow yellow crayon. Same steps to draw the crayon. Straight lines on each side, making a rectangle, tall, skinny rectangle with the triangle lines on top. And now I'm going to add the eyes and the face. After orange comes groovy green. I'm going to add the same lines in the same face. After groovy green comes blue, which is cool cat blue. And I'm going to add a couple lines and the face on that crayon also. And finally, I have deep purple. I'm going to draw that tall, skinny rectangle, add a couple lines to decorate it, and the face. Now what is left to do except to color with your crayons that rock? I'm going to speed this part up so that it doesn't take so long to show you how I color. You can color however you want, as long as you do not leave any white space on your paper. Completely color in your drawing and do a fabulous job with your crayons that rock. I cannot wait to see what you create.